Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am at Shogran. It is a beautiful place. I have visited first time because at the Neelam and every all type of places of my village I visit. But the Shogran is a very beautiful place. I cannot tell you that what I see, the gardens and the fountains and the resorts and all the things make this place very beautiful. Now I want to tell you something, that if you want to come at Shograna, you have to come. You can come at 4 to 5 a.m. because at the way the tourist comes and all of the such type of you will face suffocation and such type of things will be happen. If you want to come at Shogran, please come here at 4 to 5 a.m. because we were late. So we reached here at 6, 8, 9 o'clock. So the people said that you will reach at 4. If you go to 4 o'clock, you will reach 7 o'clock. But that takes so much time that we reach at 9 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, 1 hour, we were going into the field and all meadows, but that meadows were very boring, guys. Like India, when the tourists come, just that type of feeling was happen. So Baba come here and Baba said that I have seen a very beautiful place, you have to come here. So we said that what will be it? So Baba, you will show. It is a very beautiful place. That Shogran is a very beautiful place, as well as Kashmir is a very beautiful. The tourists, the Punjab peoples, and because in Punjab there are not this type of facilities. So Punjab people come here, and now look, there is a Turkish ice cream in which the people. I was very confused now. When we go to Dino Valley, the uncle just do like stick like this. I like to just say to uncle that give me my money. I don't want your ice cream. Such type of things are like the fountains. Every type of place makes it a peaceful city. So guys, just look at the fountains here and all of such type of things. It is a big investment for people, for the tourists. And here are some bridges. In which the people come and take the photos. Now look, the people stand here and look at the fountain. No one cares that this fountain in this place is taken. One more thing, guys. If you are now the new place to visit is Shogran. It is a Indus country. Now look, Turkish ice cream, the resort, the people, the fountains, the flowers, all of this type of things make us. It's a peaceful city. All of the resorts and every type of thing, zip lines, and it is a complete park, and people love this place. I will come at Shogran because in Muzaffarabad they were locked down, and I think that schools should be open in lockdown, and when there are holidays, they should be in a peaceful place. So I was bored and I said to Baba, let's move to Shogran. So Baba decided tomorrow, and then we reached the Shogran. In the way, there are also much, the level is very high. You have to, our car was very difficult. It was difficulty to move about the high up to the places. So we reached to the Shogran. It's a very beautiful place, guys. You have to come. Fatma, signing off. Allah Hafiz.